Today we are going to make a bracelet using leather, tiger side bead as a clasp, and 3 beads of solid sterling silver. And we can make this item as a bracelet, as a necklace, and also as an anklet. So this is the way that we make it. We make the knot in one end first, where we are going to fit the ball. This item is made for a customer from West Virginia, USA. West Virginia, USA. We trim the ends of the leather.
This is Jamie Donaldson for the Welsh against Germany's women's team. Oh, you kidding?
And see if the tiger side fit. Yes, fit well. And then we add a little bit of glue as a extra strength. That means that the leather, when it's glued, doesn't move. Now we make the knot to fit the ball in the middle. We measure to make sure that's going to be the length that the customer has asked. We make this bracelet in different lengths: 18 centimeters, 16, 20, 22, 23, 25, 24. Make the knot and tie the knot. Done. Tie the knot in a way that it's not going to move as well. Now we trim it. Very neat. And also we are going to glue it, the knots.
Leaders, driver off the deck here at 8. Usually hit it with a little bit of a face, so this shot sets up nicely for it. We can squeeze it in there a little bit.
Okay.
Be good, he said, and look at that.
Now we insert the beads together. That's how it looks. And make the knot on the other side. So we made the knot, untie the knot. Also trim it and glue it. Okay, halfway. Now we are going to do the knot on the other side to the same length that this one has. So we make the knot on the other side. We make sure that it's exactly the same to the other side. So what we are going to get at the end is 20 centimeters length altogether. 20 centimeters. So we trim it and trim it and a little bit of glue. Now we are going to work with the clasp. We thread the line. This is 150 pounds. Bridle line, bridle. And then we'll work on the clasp.
Really tough one for Johnson. He's played it really small. Can you believe that? What a bonus for Dustin Johnson. 183 yards from the side here on the second shot. Right foot slip.
We almost finished working on the clasp. How is it going? Altogether, to make this bracelet is about 35 minutes, no less than that. We almost finished.
Oh yes. That was intended. Very clever. That we talked about from Rory, produced by his second shot at the 11th from 274 yards. Possible to appreciate that shot unless you're here. And it's firm, so you can really hit down on it.
So the last part, we trim it.
Beautiful shot there at the eye.
Okay, we have finished. Nicely made. This is what we have. We'll measure. Perfect. 20 centimeters. We put a little bit of coconut oil for the leather to be protected. So this is what we have. Nice handmade here in Australia bracelet going to USA. Yes. So when people wear them, it looks like that. This one is good to wear just by itself or with other ones. That looks nice if you put them this one in the middle.